Can't find the camera in the old EPFast tool? Can't find some UTEPO disabled Hikvision and DAWA cameras?
Refactoring the underlying code, improved compatibility with UTEPO protocols, integrated SDK of Hikvision and DAWA. Open private agreement. Fully compatible with Hikvision and DAWA cameras. Increased camera compatibility to 91%.
Is the Wi-Fi connection unstable? Can't connect to the app by using mobile phone? Is the video frozen and unclear?
Fixed the known incompatibility problem, and restructured the player logic to make the video playback smoother. Tested to be compatible with 93% of mobile phones on the market.
Poor battery life for the old EPFast tool, fully charged, and find not much charge the next day.
30 days standby time. The battery life was increased by 30%.